So it's day 7 after surgery, and this is the second day for me to go for a walk to try to move a little bit more. Did a workout earlier actually this morning. I am still on morphine and painkillers, but I take a lot less today, which is okay, manageable. One thing I learned from this, and it's also one of the reasons why I log everything and I make these videos, because it's massively depends on the individual. And also this type of injury, it's really not just pectoralis rupture or pectoralis repair surgery. It totally depends on where it was ruptured, and is it a total tendon rupture or a tear in the muscle junction, and in which head, the clavicular head or the sternal head, or both. So and that's really why when I was looking on the internet there was not enough information. So I see some people back to work the next day, which is ridiculous for me to think. The next day I was on pain level 10 out of 10. It was extremely painful, and there was no range of motion or anything like that. And some people take over a month. For me, today, 7th day, like a week after surgery, I have a little bit of range of motion. Not enough though to do anything. Like the reason why I'm wearing this top, because of the zip, I can't lift a shirt on and lift my arm to wear something. So yeah, it's been totally different for me. But yeah, as I'm going ahead and as I'm doing some progression with my rehab and physio and everything, I will be making videos step by step, hoping that can help someone in the same position at some point. So today is the 31st of August, which is 9 days after surgery. So it's time to dress, to change the dressing. I'm here outside of the doctor's surgery. So I'm going in, had some extra shots, painkiller, and yeah, see what happens. Man, that was horrendous. So it was quite painful to just take the old dressing out. The nurse said it was okay, clean, and this little bit of discharge, but that's normal after the surgery. And the other one is now nice and clean. There it goes, all the way under the arm. So this will be the last dressing, hopefully. So she said in 3 days time you take it out. If there's no blood or discharge or anything like that, then you can just shower normal and you don't need more dressing. So yeah, now the next step is the physio, which is on the 6th of September. So 5-6 days away now. So I'm excited for that to hopefully get back to lifting as soon as possible. I mean, I started already my own rehab, but it would be good to get advice from another professional and just apply that straight away in the gym, and yeah, get started back on the lifting soon, and I'll update you guys with the next step. It's time to remove the dressing today, Friday 2nd September, which is 11 days after surgery. So yeah, we'll attempt to remove it now. Oh, it's already loose. Ah. Oh. Oh. Okay, there we go. It's the 6th of September. I have a physio appointment today, which is 15 days after the surgery. I've already started my physio about 6 or 7 a week after the surgery. But of course, I was offered an appointment with the physio, one of the professionals, so I'd take it, of course. So it was good to hear another professional's opinion and see what they advise or things that I'm not already doing. And yeah, so we'll see what they say. It'll be interesting to see if there is anything that I'm not already doing. Realized yesterday I'm maybe a little bit pushing it fast a little bit, but of course I'm just trying to get back to lifting really as soon as I can, but I need to allow this to take its time. It's going to be a long recovery, but the good thing is I'm on the road for recovery. So I've seen the physio. She actually think that I'm doing a little bit more than what I should do at this stage. So things she advised is really basic stuff. And also she advised to get rid of the sling as soon as I can. She wanted me to do it today actually, but I might do it tomorrow. The only issue is the arm is not fully extended yet, so being in that position for so long, as a PT I work the whole day, like most of the time I'm standing, I'm walking around, so it hurts sometimes, but yeah, it's eventually you're gonna have to deal with this pain a little bit until you know your arm's fully extended. So I'm gonna try to get rid of this from tomorrow. And yeah, I've got another appointment to progress the movements next week, and of course I will make update as well. So this is basically what my physio movements looks like at the moment. Today I was able to get full extension and full flexion, as you can see that in that video. It is a progress for me, and also it's actually a good point because not everybody same. I know people who done this surgery and they moved on after 5 days back to everything. So it really depends on what happened, where it the tear, and what complication. I also had the semi-tear in the biceps. So just make sure to, before you follow anybody's physio or rehab plan, make sure it's appropriate to your injury. day 11, first day today without the sling. Arm feels still stiff, but here we go, first workout without the sling. Zero rotation, shoulder rotation for the left arm. I'll show you the difference. So that rotation here, so that can go here, and that is just maximum. Does that make sense? So full rotation here, here just no rotation at all. Yeah, and so this is one of the things I'm working on in the rehab now, because flexion and extension is okay now, but no rotation. So this is the next step. This is what I'm doing at the moment.